ఫ్రమ్ జీ తెలుగు ఆలియాజీ. యాక్చువల్గా మీ లైఫ్లో ఆర్ అనే లెటర్కి చాలా ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఉంది. సో ఇట్స్ ట్రిపుల్ ఆర్ అగైన్. సో హౌ యూ ఎంజాయ్డ్ దిస్ టైటిల్? ఇట్స్ రిలేటెడ్ టు యువర్ లైఫ్ ఆల్సో, యువర్ పర్సనల్ లైఫ్ ఆల్సో.
ఏంటి
నో సార్,
మనకి మన ప్రశ్నలు వాళ్ళు కాపీ కొట్టాలి, వాళ్ళ ప్రశ్నలు మనం కాపీ కొట్టకూడదు. ఏంటి మీరు అసలు?
సరే.
I have a question for Alia. Hi.
Aliaji, actually, we watched your highway. You looks like అంటే మీరు ఒక చిన్న క్యూట్ హీరోయిన్ అలా కనిపించారు కదా. సో నౌ ఇట్స్ ఎ బిగ్ స్పాన్ ఆఫ్ ఫిలిం, 2 heroes in South top stars. So how you felt working with the 2 big heroes?
So you have one question, 2 questions.
So
Pehla
that's
question
cancelled.
cancelled.
That's cancelled.
Okay. Cool. Now second question is how I feel working with both the heroes.
Normally Bollywood heroines not to like do South films or Telugu films, but you
ఇదిగో ఆ అమ్మాయి తెలుగు
That's
బ్రహ్మాండంగా
not
అర్థం
true.
చేసుకుంటుంది,
I don't think that's true.
బ్రహ్మాండంగా అర్థం చేసుకుంటుంది.
I will speak on behalf of all the heroines. There's no such thing as, nobody will say I won't do this, I won't do that. It's on the opportunity, and I got possibly the opportunity of a lifetime, so I jumped at it. And I'm saying even now that I'm very open to doing South films. I really want to do it. I would like to challenge myself and make way into your hearts. So there's no such thing that won't do. Everybody wants to do, what comes naturally to them. How it was working with both of them, fabulous. They're both lovely guys, lovely to me, such big stars, but really are very, very caring and help me a lot, feed me, teach me. So I'm very grateful for this experience. It's gone very well, and we're having such a nice time even promoting the film. And working with Rajamouli sir has, like I said, been a dream come true. So I wish to continue and hope to be directed by him again. And I'll just answer your first question because it's fun. I love RRR.
Alia, my question.
ఓకే, వన్
I have a
సెకండ్.
question.
నేను ఆలియాని ఒక క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతాను. ఆలియా, యూ హ్యావ్ టు బి అబ్సల్యూట్లీ ట్రూత్ఫుల్. ఓకే, ఆల్ త్రూ అవుట్ ద షూటింగ్ తారక్ అండ్ చరణ్ వర్ కంటిన్యూస్లీ టాకింగ్ టు ఈచ్ అదర్ ఇన్ తెలుగు. నో యువర్ మీకు డైలాగ్ ఇవ్వలేదు, మీరు ఆగండి. ఓకే, నా డైలాగ్ ఇప్పుడు. దే వర్ కంటిన్యూస్లీ టాకింగ్ టు ఈచ్ అదర్, కంటిన్యూస్లీ క్రాకింగ్ జోక్స్, laughing, smiling, winking at each other. Has this happened or not?
Yes.
Yeah? So you, మీకు డైలాగ్ ఇవ్వలేదు. So you have to truthfully tell me what you felt. And it went on for hours, not once or twice. It went on for hours. And
So
you said,
I'll share an anecdote. The first day of shoot, I was working with Tarak. So Tarak was saying, listen, don't mind. I have not worked with a heroine in a really long time because I've been working with Charan. So I may be a little bit. So I was like, no, it's fine, don't worry. I've forgotten what it is he's saying to work with a heroine. Then I worked with Charan, who was complete opposite, was very quiet, very, not even like, didn't talk much also on the first day of shoot. A very big scene for him at that day, I remember.
Feeling
Then
shy. Feeling shy looking at.
Feeling shy?
So beautiful.
Yeah, sure. Then I worked with both of them together. So separately, they're totally different. Together, they are only pulling each other's leg, teasing each other. Tarak is constantly pulling Charan's leg. He's saying something, Jakarna, something. And then Charan is saying, no, and all.
We were not pulling our legs. We were just
Not
talking.
my leg, his leg.
No, his leg, yeah.
Then
We were
he
just
was
talking.
saying don't do, then you were saying no, and then I realized their bond is so special. They were not interested that I was there. They only wanted to talk to each other. Then finally, when we shot that song, I said, I'm not understanding anything. Can you please translate? Then Charan started translating for me. You were still not translating.
I did.
Now, but you are making up for it. No, I'm joking. There's this guy called Akshay. He helped me for 1 year, sir. 1 year I did Zoom sessions with him because during pandemic I couldn't meet him. So I'm very grateful to him. Thank you, Akshay.
Alia, I have a question for you. I'm Taruna from TV9. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Andy, all of you. So basically, you have done so many movies. You have discovered so many things about yourself. Tell me, doing this film, how overwhelming was it for you? And what did you discover about yourself as an actor?
Oh. I don't think I don't know what I discovered about myself as an actor, but I definitely feel like I was, I didn't maybe understand up until working with Sir how to enhance a dramatic moment. Sometimes, and these are, I shouldn't actually be saying these things because these are always actors' tricks and trades, but sometimes we may feel something in our head or in our heart, but it may not necessarily translate into the camera. So I learned that from Sir. How do you project that dramatic or that emotional moment, but how do you also sustain it so that the audience connects even more? And that's the reason we feel the way we feel when we watch Sir's films. It's just punching the drama and the emotion. It's so powerful. So he brought that sort of awareness amongst me, in my heart, that, okay, this is something that I feel, but how do I reach out into the audience's heart and make them feel it even more? So I definitely learned that. The rest I won't share because those are secrets.
రాజమౌళి గారు
So Tarak and
రాజమౌళి గారు